So the best thing I ever ate, I chose paella. So paella for me is just it's a comfort food. It's a nice family sharing dish, brings family together, brings people together. So well, this is a chicken and chorizo. You just kind of sear off the chicken, add in your sofrito, add in the chorizo, add in the rice. The whole point is to kind of get the rice to dry out and get what they call a socarrat. And that's kind of the crispy bits on the outside and on the bottom, which most people tend to fight over in my family. So that's the best part of the dish, in my opinion. The nutritional trends that I'm seeing in the healthcare segment is for sure focusing on plant-based and not necessarily just plant-based proteins or meats. There's almost like a Mediterranean diet in general, right? So just trying to get more veggie items in, kind of clean label, getting away from fillers and stabilizers. And one of the goals I would say is to try to keep recipes to be about 5 ingredients or less.
So do you do a saffron rice?
Yes, adding saffron, which I did at the end there, is very traditional. And most would say arguably it's maybe not a paella without it.
The faint bit of floral from the saffron really matches up with the spiciness from the chorizo.
You really know.
Yeah. And that's the beauty of a paella. It has so much versatility. You can mix and match flavors really however you want. Could be vegetarian. Really, the sky's the limit.